you to stay tuned till the end of the video because I will be displaying how the cushions turned out. Even though you think you know, you don't know. This is a wonderful idea and it's going to surprise you how I show you how they look at the end. All right, guys, let's get to it. Well, it's that time of the year to get your patio together so you can go out and enjoy it. Well, every year I love to change the color of my patio. You know, who wants to stay the same? So today I will be showing you how I will be covering my patio cushions in an inexpensive way. So if you would like to see what I'm going to use, and if you would like to see how I'm going to do it, just stay tuned. Alright guys, today I will be covering my patio cushion. At one point my patio was this color, and I love cushions like this because you'll be able to flip them back and forth. Well, I'm sort of bored with this color now and I want a different pop of color on my patio. So I have decided to cover my cushions with the dollar store placemats. So I will be using 2 of these placemats to cover my cushions. So enjoy the video, guys, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Alright guys, so you're going to take 2 dollar store table mats. And on both of the mats, you're going to separate them across the top and on the side. Across the top and on the side. We're going to attach them together and slip our patio cushion on the inside. So once you have both sides pinned, you can either glue it or sew it. So now it's time to sew. is the chair with just the cushion on it. Here is the chair with both cushions connected together. I can have the pillow on the chair that way, or I can turn the pillow so it will break up some of the color. Or I can mix and match the pillows as I please, to whereas it'll look like a beautiful set. Do you see the different options that you can have? Being able to rearrange my cushions this way, I can have any type of coordination that I want to have out here. That's the plus. Subscribe, guys.